Now look at this down here. See where the corner bead is? It's almost flush. Right there. Flush with the rest of the sheetrock over in here. That's why that bit cracked out, because there was hardly any mud over that at all. That's almost the same. The corner bead should be pushed down further than that, and see, they have it pushed out too far there. Once you install corner bead, you got to have it kind of dip in slightly so that you have enough room for the mud. Okay. Now incidentally, if you were to say, hey Joe, why are you going to put all-purpose webbing tape, self-adhesive webbing tape over that? Why not just put Quickset over that and be done with it? Quickset, or even 2 coats of all-purpose general joint compound. And the reason why is because you saw that crack there before. Well, the same thing's going to happen if anybody ever taps this corner, or if anything settles, or if there's moisture inside the wall. This is an exterior wall. A little moisture gets in there behind that, and magically your crack is going to reappear again. So whenever I do a patch, I'll put the webbing tape on there, and that'll be assured that that's never going to happen again. Now incidentally, if this is a brand new install for you, next time you do your corner bead, put tape on it. Put your paper tape on there if you're doing a brand new job and you're using paper tape for the entire thing, or if you're using webbing tape, you can do that too. On all of your angles, you know, at least from the ground up 4 or 5 feet, because that's generally where it's going to hit. What I normally do is depending on how many corners I'm doing and stuff, I'll do the entire thing all the way up. It's just as easy. It really doesn't take much time to do that. It's not very expensive for your tape. And then you're assured of not getting these hairline cracks. Because let me tell you, you show me any house and I'll show you a hairline crack on one of the corner beads. For sure.